Hi everyone. I wanted to show you your first assignment and talk you through the assignment sheet. This is the first 5-paragraph essay that you're going to write in Writing 7. Notice you're going to do 2 drafts. Your first draft you're going to submit to D2L before 6 p.m. next Tuesday. Your second draft, after you get feedback from me, you're going to bring to class when we meet face-to-face on Tuesday, October 9th. So let me walk you through the directions. You're building on what you did for the diagnostic on the first night of class, where I gave you the thesis statement about a successful teacher, and I gave you 3 characteristics. You're going to use that same format for your thesis statement, but now you're going to choose who you want to talk about. Not a teacher. It could be a job that you do right now, a job you've done in the past, a job you want to do in the future. It doesn't even have to be a job. It could be how you do a hobby. For example, a roller skater or a surfer or a cook. So you're going to think of 3 characteristics to describe that job, and that's what you're going to write about. Those 3 characteristics are going to be each of your body paragraphs. So let me make sure everybody understands some of the terminology. So 5-paragraph essay will have the introduction is your first paragraph. The last sentence of your introduction is your thesis statement, which I've given you. You just have to fill in the blanks. Then based on what you write for your thesis statement, you're going to have 3 body paragraphs. And I've laid it out here: body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2, body paragraph 3. You're going to wrap it all up with your conclusion that's going to restate your ideas from your thesis statement from your introduction. So it's a nice, neat package. Everything is arranged in each paragraph on a different topic. That's what you were practicing the first night of class by choosing one of those characteristics: patience, persistence, or optimism. And then you must limit yourself to just talking about that characteristic and supporting it with details and stories, examples, whatever you need to make it more clear. Now, this is your first draft. It doesn't have to be perfect. Remember, I don't want it plagiarized. I want it to be coming from you and something that is meaningful to you. So choose a job or career or hobby that either you have personal experience with or you hope to have personal experience with in the future. That will make it a more interesting paper for you to write. So you're going to type this and you're going to upload it to D2L so I can see it before next Tuesday, October 2nd. Let's see. And let me talk about eagle eyes. I have a little picture here at the end. You'll hear me talking about eagle eyes a lot. When an eagle flies up high, its eyesight must be very, very precise. It needs to be able to spot its prey from very, very far away and then swoop in and catch what it's looking for. I ask you to have eagle eyes in your writing, being very, very careful, looking at what you've written when you're finished writing, looking for any mistakes so you can find those mistakes before I do. That's what I mean by using eagle eyes. Okay, so those are the directions for the first essay. I'm going to try to put up some more videos about using D2L, because I know some people had some questions about how do you upload, how do you get feedback, various things like that. And I'll also be adding some videos about grammar practice, and how I want you to use the textbook. But I'll do those in separate videos so this stays separate. Okay, thanks.